Dare County Board of Commissioners passed a resolution proclaiming May 19th through the 25th as EMS Week. This week is to recognize all members of Dare County's EMS teams who stand ready to provide life-saving care to those in need, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This year's national theme is Beyond the Call. To celebrate EMS Week and demonstrate their service to the community, Dare County EMS will host open houses to display equipment, offer tours of facilities, perform blood pressure checks, and provide educational programs. EMS providers will be available to answer any questions about the county's EMS system and how they protect our citizens and visitors. Members of the community are encouraged to come by, meet the crews, see the equipment up close, learn critical life-saving skills, and understand more about the services offered by Dare County EMS. Bring the entire family out and enjoy learning about Dare County EMS.